This is part one of a 4-part prediction for the real estate market in the US of 2021 from CoreLogic's chief economist. What is CoreLogic and why are his predictions important to consider? Well, my name is Travis Poland. I am with the Acre Group at Berkshire Hathaway, and I am your Littleton real estate guy. The Acre Group has been helping folks buy and sell real estate in Littleton, Colorado, 80127 for quite a few years now, and we have a lot of experience in this market. I live, I eat, I breathe real estate, so I trust CoreLogic because they are the leading provider to the government and businesses of analytics and for financial property data. So in my opinion, their predictions hold their weight in gold because it is based on data and facts. So prediction number one, we will continue to have low interest rates through 2021. Right now, fixed rate mortgages of a 30-year mortgage are averaging at about 2.7% nationwide, which is a record low. Their forecast on average for an interest rate for the whole year will be 2.9%. This will be the first time ever that a 30-year fixed mortgage rates have averaged less than 3%. He also predicts that these low interest rate levels will go into 2022, which is great news for a lot of people. So be sure to search my Littleton Real Estate Guy YouTube channel for the rest of the 4 predictions here in the real estate market of 2021. Travis Poland here, your Littleton Real Estate Guy. Please reach out anytime. I'm here to help you for anything. And just remember, I'm signing off. Thoughts become things, so make sure that they're good ones and keep it real, Colorado. I will see you on the next one.